Hi, Alyssa Bryden here with Virtual Heights Accounting, here to answer the tax question. Are meals considered a deductible expense for your business? The answer, yes. As long as there is a business purpose for the meal that ties it to the meal is deductible. So what does that mean? It means, are you meeting with a potential clients or current clients or business partners? All of these things would have a business purpose to the meal, and thus could be deductible for tax purposes. What are the limitations? Well, there are tax limitations to the deductibility of meals and entertainment expenses. So meals are generally limited to a 50% deduction. So 100% deductible on your income statement, but for tax purposes, you're only actually going to see a 50% deduction for them, which means your accountant or tax preparer will add them back, a 50% portion back to your Schedule 1 of your tax return. All right. Exceptions to the 50% rule, there are a few. So special events for employees, up to 6 events or meals per year for all staff are deductible at 100%. That means your Christmas gatherings or your annual event celebrating the company could all be deductible, again, up to 6 meals per year. If your business regularly provides food, beverage, and entertainment to customers, so you're a hotel or a restaurant or a motel, the food and beverages that you purchase would generally then be considered cost of goods sold. They would also then be 100% deductible. Meals included in employee income, so if you happen to pay per diems around meals or reimbursed you're reimbursing meals to employees, but they're taxable to them and included on their T4 because maybe they did not have a sufficient business purpose, then those would be 100% deductible. So if you are including it on the employee's income, then you do deduct it at 100% for the business. Long haul truck drivers, I won't get into the rules around these. There's very specific kilometer requirements and hours away requirements, and then they have different percentages that are deductible. But there are rules there, so please look them up if that impacts you. And then remote work location. So the key here is that the employee can't be able to return home at the end of the day. So it has to be a remote work camp where it's just not feasible to return home. Then if you provide food for those employees, those costs can be 100% deductible, and they are also not taxable then to the employee. Additional note, I had mentioned at the beginning that it relates to meals and entertainment. So entertainment would be tickets to, say, sporting events or other entrance fees to performances. Those would be included in the requirement to be only 50% deductible for tax purposes. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please do comment, and we can try to get back to you as best we can.